Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you guys are doing okay. In today's video, we're going to be assembling our hanging garden chair. Our hanging, yeah, I think it's hanging chair. It's a hanging chair. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the garden. We've just decided to put it in our garden. You can also have it indoors as well. So we are going to be assembling our hanging chair. So a little bit more information about the chair. So this is actually the hanging egg chair, and it's a single swing seat, and this is in the black with ivory cushion that we've got. And the dimensions for this are it's an X base times frame 115 and 196 centimeters. And the swing chair is around 70.90115 centimeter. And I think that with this chair, there's a weight restriction. I think it's about 120 kg. I'm not sure, but you can have a look. You can check before you buy it. Yeah, the chair looks really beautiful, and it's a really great addition to our garden. I mean, like I said before, you don't have to put it in a garden. You can put it indoors, and it's equally beautiful indoors as well if you've got the space for it. And we've really enjoyed it so far, and our children actually have been using it as a swing. I think that would definitely test the durability of this chair. We'll come back to you in a year again and kind of do a review and tell you how well it has done. We actually bought this chair months ago. It was literally around the time that we were preparing to move from our old house, and we didn't really have any space to put it. And at the time, we were obviously converting our garage, so there was nowhere to put it. So we had to just put it in the garden and covered it with some plastic bags. But that didn't really protect it very much because the box got really ruined, and some of the frame of the chair kind of started to like chip off as well. I think it might just be due to the rain, and it was just too much rain on it. So I'm not quite sure how long this would last in the garden without us getting a cover. So we are actually planning to get a protective cover if we're going to leave it in the garden. As you can see by the sign of it, our children are quite excited that we're putting this together, because we've been putting it off for a while and saying that we will obviously get around to putting it together, and we never did. But anyways, we just wanted to show you how easy it is to assemble this chair, and also, you know, how beautiful it looks. This chair, I think it's around I think £300. I'm not sure how much they're selling it for now, and I think on their website is actually sold out, but they have other types on there, so you can have a look, and you don't have to buy it from this company. There's so many other companies that sells hanging chairs that might be even more cheaper than this amount. The cushion, I'm not sure is waterproof. I mean, it looks very soft, and I think that if it gets stained, you can either clean it or put it in a washing machine. I haven't tested this out yet, but of course, if I'm doing a review on it again, I will let you know how easy it is to clean. But all in all, I really love this chair. Our children really love the chair, and it's a really great addition to our garden.
Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
So yeah, I think that's it really for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new on this channel, this is Glowsync, and what we do in this channel is DIY, well, novice DIYs. We talk a bit about property, HMO, shortlets, and we also do some review on products that we've used, and we talk about it as well. The good, the bad, and the not buy it advice. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, thank you very much for stopping by, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to leave us a comment. Tell us about what you think we've done right, what you think we've done wrong, any advice on what you think we can do better. Just leave it in the comment section, and we would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.